welcome back to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. Welcome. If you are new here, please smash that like button and subscribe button and join my family. So in today's video, I'll be doing a makeup look to go with my orange bows in my hair. And firstly, I'm brushing my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna draw my eyebrows using the black opal eyebrow pencil. If you guys want to know how to do this hairstyle, click on that iCard up there and it will link you straight to that video of how to do the hairstyle, the twin tail hairstyle that is on my head. I just added some orange bows to just make it look cute and more, cute. So now I'm taking my black opal eyebrow pencil and I'm trying to draw my eyebrows. And guys, it is better to start doing your eyebrows before you do the rest of your makeup, because eyebrows take time and they have to look neat and on fleek. Now I'm just shading in my eyebrows and making sure that I really drew them properly, but I'm gonna fix all that with concealer. So right now I'm just coloring in and shading it in, and then I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and I'm going to use it just to make everything fade, so that my eyebrows have this nice faded look and faded start to it. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take my Pro concealer and I'm going to use this to conceal and shape my eyebrows and make them look even more neat. Now I really want to make them look super neat, so I'm trying to make sure I coat it nicely and take quite enough, because I firstly just applied some on my hand and on my arm, and then I'm just taking some on my arm and just trying to shape them and make sure that they look neat. And I also want to make sure that they look even. That is so important to me. That is why I start with my eyebrows before I do any other part of my makeup. I'm really trying to take my time to do my eyebrows because I really want them to look even and neat. So I'm taking my time doing this. Next, I'm taking this brush and I'm using it just to blend the concealer, because I don't want the concealer to show and to be really bright. So I'm using this brush just to blend the concealer out and fix my eyebrows at the same time. And I'm doing this until I'm satisfied and happy that my eyebrows look like sisters. Next, I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette, and this time I'm taking this bright, it's like a white color, I'm not sure what color it is, but I'm using it because it kind of mixed up with my gold eyeshadow, so it kind of turned a little bit of an orange color. So I'm using it and I'm going to apply it on my crease so that it goes ahead with my bows. Now guys, it looks a little bit messy, but don't you worry and trust the process. It is going to come out looking on fleek. So I'm applying it at the beginnings of my crease, and I'm gonna add a different color at the ends of my crease, and I'm gonna blend them together. So I'm gonna do that, and that is what I'm doing. Now I'm just taking a big brush and I'm just blending all that out, blending the eyeshadow out, because I don't want it to look like powder on my eyelids. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm taking the gold color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is kind of goldish. It's not really, it's goldish brownish, orangish. It's very bright, but I'm applying that, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take this big brush again and I'm going to blend it. I don't really want my eyeshadow to be really super bright and super, because I don't really have orange eyeshadow at the moment, so I was just using what I had. Now I'm going in with the mesmerizing eyeliner gel, and y'all know this is my favorite gel, and I'm using it to put to draw my wing on my eyelids, and I'm so impressed with this one. Like, it's looking super, so I'm just doing that. I'm drawing my eyeliner, and y'all know the trick of drawing the eyeliner. You have to pull your eye so that it looks super neat. Once that is done, I'm going in with my Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara, and I'm going to apply this mascara, yes, on my eyelashes and as well on my bottom eyelash. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty primer. It's a waterproof primer, and I just like applying this before I apply foundation because it soothes and makes the foundation come on your skin really smoothly and helps to cover all the dark marks that I have on my face. And now I'm going in with my favorite foundation, Just Be Gorgeous foundation, but it is so messed up. Like, y'all can see that it is really dirty and messed up. But anyways, I'm going to use the brush that I'm going to use. I'm going to clean that up and just put it on my face. And I love, if you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, you will know that this is my favorite foundation. Like, it fully covers up my dark marks. I'm really taking my time because I really want to make sure that I covered all my dark marks. But once I'm done doing this, I'm going to fully make sure that I covered my dark marks by using the Essence Darkening Makeup Drops. It is almost similar to my own skin tone, but I use this to make my face look more coated and, like a full makeup. It makes me look like, yes, I do a full makeup, and it just helps to cover even more my dark marks and make it look like, it's my natural skin. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to, cover all the dark marks and make sure that none of it is showing with this product. Now I'm going in with my CYO compact powder, and I'm going to apply it on my face, and I really love this so much because it helps to kind of mattify my face. And I have a mixture of oily and dry skin on my face, so I'm applying it on the places that I know I'm going to be oily on. So the powder helps and controls the oiliness. And now it's time to bake my face. I'm using this rice powder, and I'm going to apply it again on the places that I know I'm going to be a little bit oily, and that is my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, my chin. I'm going to apply this powder, and I'm just shaking it a little so that it just, I get more powder. So I'm just applying it in the places I know I'm going to be dry, and I'm also applying it there because it gives me this nice glow to it. Now I'm going in with my Colors Limited blusher and bronzer, and I'm taking the bronzer and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. But now you can't really see it, but if y'all were really close, you would see it, but you can kind of see it a little. I'm just applying some on my cheekbones to give me this nice glow. And now it's time for the lips, and I'm going in with this Vaseline. I'm going to apply some Vaseline on my lips because I kept licking my lips. I was feeling like they were dry, so I'm just like, you know what, let me put some Vaseline. And then I'm going to go in with this old brown lipstick that I kept. It's really blunt, but I'm putting it into use today. It is really blunt, but it's going to work. And then I'm applying some red lipstick. I really want my lips to be brownish, almost orangish, because I don't have an orange lipstick, so I'm trying to be creative and make my lips look a little, you know, good. And once I'm done, I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil, and I'm using the brown pencil to put on my lips and give me this nice full on my lips, but I'm mostly putting it all over my lips. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then when I'm done, I just want to make my lips look bright and almost orangish, so I'm going in with this lip gloss. It's a very, very sticky, and it's a pink, it's almost pink lip gloss, so I'm applying this to give my lips a nice shine and glow to it. And that is the look, guys, with my lips. Now I really took my time, but I'm loving this look. I really used what I have to make sure this makeup looks a bit orangish. But thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna change my shirt to make everything look neat, but thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and see y'all in the next video.